If you're thinking about buying real estate and would like to outpace your competition, meaning other buyers, in this short video, I will tell you what you need to do in order to become a strong buyer, not just a buyer like everyone else. You probably heard about a pre-approval letter, letter of pre-qualification, a DU, etc. Let's talk about that today in SERDNA Talk. So, what's a DU? Once your loan officer has gathered all the requested documents, he will enter all that information into a software called the desktop underwriter, which is made by the Federal National Mortgage Association, also known as Fannie Mae. The DU will analyze your loan application and credit in order to determine if you are a real buyer or a dreamer. If things are to your favor, then they will issue a pre-approval letter, and that's what you want to get from your lender, not a pre-qualification letter. Those are useless for the most part. Keep in mind that loan officers are paid on commission, but the underwriter is not, since he works for the bank. He needs to make sure that you are 100% financially strong to buy real estate.
But what's the difference between a pre-qualification letter versus a DU?
If you want that property really bad, and if you are the buyer with the DU in hand, chances of getting your offer accepted are greater, since you already know and the bank knows that you're good to go and your finances are in great shape. On the other hand, a pre-qualification letter is weeks away from being processed by an underwriter. So, the listing agent and the seller will always want to work with someone who is ready to move forward, instead of waiting for so many days to see if the pre-approval will pass the desktop underwriter metrics. Keep in mind that most buyers are running like chickens without a head, presenting offers with a pre-qualification letter, and those deals fall through the cracks very easy, since there are no guarantees whatsoever that the buyer is ready. Others are doing the same, but with a pre-approval letter. Again, if you're in the market to buy a property, I suggest you go into the market ready for battle. You can basically remove the loan approval contingency when presenting the offer, and that's huge, believe it or not. So go get your DU. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help with your real estate needs. Talk to you soon. Ciao.